Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the sound problem in your device Realme Narzo 50. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device Realme Narzo 50 you are having an issue related to the sound of your device, you can solve this by the method that I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the sound problem in your device Realme Narzo 50. Let's watch the video and solve the issue.